Hey there everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to crop an image in Pixlr. It's simple. So without any further ado, let's dive right in. All you have to do is follow along. So let's tap into the Pixlr app and here to go to the photos. So let's say I want to crop this photo over here, right? So in order to crop, you have to go to the tools at the bottom left corner, and here you can see crop option. Let's tap in there. You can either crop it manually, according to you. You can adjust it different, maybe I want to only crop this part out. This is one option, and there's different options like their ratio, 1:1 or 4:3 or 6:4. You can also move this to the object you want to crop out. So okay, you can see if you want to own the building, so you can simply hold this and move this up. If you want the car, you can simply hold this and bring it down. So maybe 1:1 will do. So let's hit that button, and this is how you crop an image in Pixlr. So I hope this video was helpful. You can simply now tap done and save your image like that. So if you found this helpful, then don't forget to give this thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. We'll see you in the next video.